What's goody, Gary gang? Y'all, it's been a couple of days, but we're back with another video. Alright, y'all, so it is 8:48 and Yaya's in the kitchen cooking. And I'm hurting because my feet hurt so bad due to this tendonitis that I have in my foot. Babe is watching. Babe is watching Americans Got Talent, and I'm sitting down. But yes, I will have to update you guys coming up later what took me so long. And also, happy August. This is my first vlog for August, and so I'm super excited. I've been struggling with storage on my phone. I will give you guys a whole rundown and what's to come. So tomorrow I'm gonna be taking you guys with me, which this is gonna be in all one vlog since I'm starting the vlog late. So I will be going to Empire Beauty School tomorrow for the school's tour. I've been wanting to do hair for a long time, and I just want my license. I want, you know what I mean? It's my dream. I also want to finish my bachelor's degree. It's a lot of stuff that I just want to finish, and I know that is crunch time, and I know that I just have to get it done. I will be looking into a school to see how long I have to finish my bachelor's degree in health science or whatever the case may be. I'll probably end up going to VCU, but I'll look into that too, and apply to there too. But I'm going to just go ahead and start nursing school first. I mean, not nurse school, hair school first before I go back to finish my bachelor's. And then if I can do it all in one scoop, that's awesome. So I'll be going to school for both, and I will be also trying to pay off my other loans that I have. So yeah, y'all. And I'm about to make a drink and relax for the rest of the night because I'm tired. So what I think I'm gonna do is upload this tonight, and tomorrow will be a whole new vlog within itself, because I need to talk to you guys. I'm gonna show you guys how I make my homemade mudslide, and then I'm gonna go chat with you guys on why I decided hair school. So stay tuned for that. Hey y'all, okay, so I'm back. So before we get the blending, I'm gonna show you guys what you guys need for this DIY mudslide. Hold on. So it just depends on the flavor that you're doing your mudslide. So I have here my Bailey's vanilla cinnamon. So you're gonna need this, and you're gonna need a little shot of whiskey, and my particular one I have is Crown Vanilla. So let's get started.
ice and Coca-Cola. Open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open.
Now it's time to garnish your cup. And that is all you do for your mudslide. Now you drink up. Good morning, y'all. So I told my baby to go get the pull-ups. I said, go get a pull-up so mommy can change a pull-up. She gets the whole box.
That's why, because the pull-up was stuck like that. Pull-up.
She brings the whole box.
You was a strong.
So y'all, I'm making my morning um granola parfait type of thing. It's 11:46. We're just getting out of the bed. Had a long night with baby girl. And instead of buying the pint this time, I bought the 2-pound blueberries so I won't run out. So I got the big one, and I think they were like $6.99. And I just need to add my granola on top of that, and that's done. So like I stated before, I forgot to come back to you guys because, like I said, after I made that drink last night, y'all, I was out down for the count. So last night footage and this today footage gonna be linked together. We're just gonna do it like that, okay? Because your girl didn't. Yeah, it didn't happen. So like I said, I'm about to put the granola on my parfait and eat my breakfast. And baby girl has a Smucker's PB&J, and I guess we're about to make brunch for everybody else. So yeah, and here's the rest of the people. The room looks a mess because Journey wants to pull everything down. We have to get everything back straight. And yeah, say hey, babe. Hi. So they're looking at Disney World because we're going on to Disney World for Christmas, and next year we're going on Disney Cruise. So yeah, the girls have been rearranging my house. So this is a new setup for the house, and I'm so happy with it. They set it up and they fixed my Mary Kay. And then say good morning to this little one because she wants to climb in my baby's playpen. So good morning to you, Ayana. And there's baby girl eating. So now it's 1:30 and we're about to make brunch, and I think I'm just going to end this part of the video and come back with a whole new video of when I go to the tour at 4 o'clock. And that's going to be that. But babe, I'm making the waffles, babe making eggs and sausage. And I'm breaking out, ew. But I already ate earlier. I had a parfait, so I'm just eat some sausage, drink some water. Kind of curb my appetite. Take a apple cider vinegar pill. I'm gonna take one of those. Get out that bag, ma'am. You're not funny. And yeah, and just get ready for my tour and come back home and relax because I have to go to work tomorrow. So yeah, and stay tuned for next week because next week the hair video is coming. Sorry if you hear the stuff in the background. They're watching some type of movie. Ayana is in my room relaxing. You good? She's in my room relaxing. The baby is everywhere. And I don't know if I should share it in this video or wait until the video about the tour. I just think I'll wait for the video about the tour and then let you guys know what was the change. Why do I want to go to hair school? It's always been a thing of, oh, I should have stayed in school that extra year so I could have went to cosmetology through tech, but it never happened like that. I was ready to get out of school, and yeah, hair and makeup just started to dwindle and dwindle away further and further from everything. But ever since I've been braiding and learning more and more and more, I finally just like, I'm gonna just stop putting it on hold. But I'm gonna do that. Hey, stop, because you closed the door. So I'm gonna do that on top of, ma'am, no ma'am. So I'm gonna do that on top of finishing my bachelor's because that's also exactly what I really want to do as well. So catch you guys on the flip side. Thank you so much for following this journey. Thank you for following this vlog. Thank you just for keeping up with me, even though I'm so inconsistent with my life. But yeah, so come along later on this tour with me to Empire Beauty School. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. It's Wednesday. Happy Wednesday to everybody. Back up, baby. Happy Wednesday to everybody. I love you guys. Thank you so much again for following me. And see you guys in the next video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Journey, leave that in here. She's always trying to take her pot out of the bathroom. I don't know why, but yeah, rate, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys and be blessed. Let me go start making these waffles. Deuces.